Do you know what quantum computing is? If not, then you're at the right place. Quantum computing is a field where science and reality unfolds with each passing year. Recently, through quantum computing, we have seen massive breakthroughs from tech giants like Google and IBM. They are resharing our idea of what's possible. Seems surprising. Yep, it's happening. If we're talking about quantum computing, it's important to understand where are exactly these breakthroughs and why should we care. This video strengthens your understanding of how these giants can reshape the human psyche in thinking, processing, and executing. Today's video will be delving deep into the complexities of quantum computing and the breakthroughs from IBM and Google. To understand this phenomenon, you must understand quantum computing itself. Let's get a refresher. Traditional or fourth-generation computers use bits and binary, ones and zeros, as the basic unit of data. But if we talk about quantum computers, they use qubits. Do you want to know why? Because qubits can exist as 1, 0, or both at the same time. Yeah, exactly, thanks to something called superposition. The ability to be in multiple places along with entanglement allows quantum computers to process complex calculations and processes much faster than a traditional computer. IBM and Google. IBM and Google are some of the biggest names who have made significant strides in quantum computing. Google created a Sycamore processor through Google's artificial intelligence, and this innovation hit headlines for achieving quantum supremacy. Sycamore processor has 53 superconducting qubits that are like performing a calculation in 200 seconds, which would take a traditional computer 10,000 years. In contrast, IBM challenged this claim, stating that a supercomputer could solve the problem in a couple of days. However, Google's achievement showcased how close we are to entering a new computational era. IBM has taken another approach. IBM's focus wasn't solely on quantum supremacy, but they have made strides in quantum stability and scalability. Their advancement in removing error rates means these computers aren't just faster, but they are more reliable and accurate. Quantum computers in industries. Quantum computers in industries mean vast amounts of market data and model risk factors in real time. Imagine a future where investment decisions, stock trends, and portfolio risks are calculated with perfect accuracy. Quantum computers will help companies to make smarter and more effective decisions. Logistics and supply chains may become significantly more efficient as quantum computers optimize routes and inventory like never before. They might predict disruptions, rush deliveries, and reduce costs, making everything from your daily coffee to cutting-edge technology more accessible. Moving forward to further insights, it is important for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can know how a future of tech innovations of human psychology. The human psychology and quantum computing. Imagine a world where quantum computing can predict our behavior and preferences with such perfection. This level of insight might help us make better decisions, but there's also a flip side: decision fatigue. With practically endless data, individuals and businesses may feel driven to optimize every option, from personal finances to career prospects, potentially leading to analysis paralysis. As psychologists claim, too much information, especially when processed at quantum speeds, can become overwhelming. Our brains aren't designed to handle a constant stream of optimized decision-making, and this could lead to increased stress or even reshape how we think over generations. Ethical considerations. Privacy, surveillance, and security. Quantum computing with such technology comes with downgrades considering the ethical impact. The question arises, who controls quantum computing? For now, it's giants like Google and IBM who are leading the race, but what happens when private entities hold the keys to technology with potential? Who's going to be answerable for our privacy, surveillance, and security? It's not a difficult task to crack today's encryption systems in seconds. Who's going to padlock up it all for us? The answer to all these questions is undefined, but the dangers are high. While we wait for the answers to these questions, we're leaving questions for you as well. Can we make quantum computing a reality? Or will quantum computing overwhelm us with more information than we can handle? Just think. But one thing is crystal clear: the future of quantum, and it is closer than we think. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights on the future and technology.